want you to look overhead. We're less than a minute away from the jumping in of the American flag. Singing the national anthem today, 13-year-old Sammy Seacrest. She's from Lansdowne Middle School, and she's going to be singing the anthem here. She's from Virginia Beach. Look high overhead. And coming out with the American flag in just a minute is team leader from the Red Devils, Jay Webster. He's out, and we've got a canopy. In just a moment, I will be turning the microphone over to Sammy Seacrest, and she is going to do our national anthem. And when that happens, I want all of you, within the sound of my voice, to stop whatever you're doing. Don't be walking around. We need to honor our flag, honor our country, and honor the men and women who serve our country to the national anthem that's going to be coming up in just a couple of seconds as the jumper comes in with that flag. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you are not standing, please stand, remove your caps, come to attention, and join Sammy Seacrest in the singing of our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets regular, though the birds singing air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Sammy Seacrest from Lansdowne Middle School in Virginia Beach. She's 13 years old. Nice job, young lady. Excellent. And